Hey guys, welcome back to Jason and Joni Builds. Appreciate you guys tuning back in. We're out for a week. I apologize. It's Thanksgiving holidays, spending time with family, and so we didn't make it out here. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out and thank you to Joe, Debbie, Kiva, Cassie, and Dylan for their generous gift over the Thanksgiving holidays. Thank you guys very much. We deeply appreciate it. As far as the project, we ordered a whole bunch of parts the Black Friday and got a lot of them here. And we actually plan to install the radiator tonight so we could weld the supports in, the brackets. Well, you don't get all the parts. So if you get a front core support, they send you the mounts. They'll have all these mounts all wrapped up and tie wrapped together. Actually, have these here. These are the top, the bottom, and then the rubbers, the isolators. I never looked at this. I just knew I had them, and I stuck them back away. And tonight we were going to come in and put the radiator in, and that was going to be a video, sort of a radiator install, bracket install. So we, maybe show you guys, the location for it. I unwrapped them all and realized I didn't have the uppers, and I went back and looked, and sure enough, the core doesn't come with the upper support. I'm guessing maybe that if you want to buy a chrome one or if you want one that's paintable, I don't know. So mine did not come with it. There may be other kits that come with the upper bracket, so we can't do that today. So this is what the upper bracket slides into. This mounts on the core. It slides in and holds the radiator in place. So before you get started and you want to install your radiator one night, make sure you have all the parts, because I didn't. So this video is just going to turn into a quick review, and I'll show you some of the parts I got and some of the things that we've actually been doing. Just because we haven't got a video done doesn't mean we haven't been doing work. Anyways, I'll show you these parts real quick. A couple of things I got, which is real cool. I bought a exhaust kit a few months back. I don't remember if I alluded to it in one of the videos, but a real nice guy I met in Birmingham on Facebook Marketplace. I bought an exhaust kit that he had bought, and it actually uses the Tom's Bronco long tube headers. So I got a good deal on that exhaust kit, but I didn't have the headers. Well, Black Friday, they had the Bronco headers on sale at Tom's Bronco. Picked up a set of those. They're the ceramic coated, so they'll be cooler. I like the look, so that'll look nice. Got a radiator. They had their radiators on sale. This is the Griffin radiator that Tom's Bronco sells. I went ahead and opted for their shroud so we can make sure we get all the cooling that we need out of this thing. It's got the cooler for the automatic overdrive. So we have that. Our Bronco we're going to black out. Emblems, bezels, all that kind of stuff. So I went with the black steering wheel. This thing's really sweet. So this is kind of pays homage to my Mustang days. So anyways, we look forward to getting that put on. And then I got a lot of parts for my column. That's something else. We could have maybe did a column rebuild video. I didn't get all the parts. I got one bearing, but I didn't get the other. So kind of stymied all the way around. Anyways, a lot of neat parts. I got a couple more coming, and I also ordered Tom's Bronco front and rear seats. So can't wait to see those. I think they're back ordered, but we'll see. That'll be coming soon. And a week ago, I took my block to the machine shop. You guys remember the 302 video where we tore the engine down and all the bearings were showing copper? Took it to a friend of mine, Johnny Jordan, at Jordan Performance. And they checked the mains, they checked the rods, and they confirmed that the engine had been run without oil. So he's going to take it down. They're vatting the block. The bore was good. We don't have to bore it. We may go ahead and run the hone through it. But he is going to check the line bore. They've also got my crank. They're going to go ahead and polish the crank and check it out, because it did have a mark on the main on the rear. I didn't see it when we tore it down in the video, but actually it looked nicked to me, but it may be polished out, I'm not sure. We'll get the block back, we'll get all the bearings I need. He's gonna go ahead and press in a new set of cam bearings for me. What we've decided on is aluminum heads, the aluminum intake. We're gonna go with a standard bore, standard stroke 302. We're not gonna stroke it. We're gonna put the Lenati camshaft. It's got a mild lift, so it'll have a little bump to it when you go up to a stoplight. Have that nice little rumble. That's about it. We got so I felt like I haven't done anything, but I've really done a lot. You know, there's just a lot of this little things that have to be done to make the project go. We've done some media blasting. Actually going to take the intake to a friend of mine that does powder coating. Going to get him to powder coat it and a couple other parts. And lastly, on a little trip today, Joni informed me that she wants the Bronco to be air conditioned. She reminded me that we live in South Alabama and it gets hot in the summer, cold in the winter, so we do need the heater. But so I remember looking on Facebook Marketplace. I saw a guy selling a kit that he wasn't going to use, and I reached out to him, and he still had it, luckily, and so we worked up a deal, and we've got that coming. So we'll be putting the I believe it's Classic Auto air conditioning on it too. So the list is growing. You know, list of things to do before April, I guess, is the next super celebration. So I want to go, whether it's finished or not. We may be up there in primer and dragging it into a spot, but we're going to be there. So anyways, sorry it's just me rambling tonight, but we'll be back. We're still here. We haven't forgot about you guys. It's we've just got to find a way to do some filming at night, because with the time change, this is it's kind of hard to get home after work and do anything, and the lighting in my shop really isn't the best. So anyways, thank you guys for hanging in there, and I want to say thank you most of all for, you know, some of the friendships that I've made through the channel. It's kind of fun getting to know a lot of guys. I'll follow on Instagram, or just emailing us through Jason and Joni Builds at gmail.com. People email, we talk, had some phone calls, and just talking with folks. I enjoy all that. You're never bothering me. It's kind of fun. Thank you for the Bronco community, because it feels more like a family. We've been around the Mustang scene a lot and met a lot of nice people, but there's something about this Bronco community that really it feels like family, and I appreciate that, because it makes it easy to come out here and do this. I'm done rambling. I'll let you guys go. Thank you for sticking with me if you have. We'll be back soon. Hopefully we can get a video in here or there through the holidays, at least from here to Christmas. I know every weekend is crazy with family and get-togethers and all that kind of stuff. See you on the next one. So y'all take care. See ya.